My name is Josh Crick. I'm from Viroqua, Wisconsin.
What is this truck?
This is a 77 359 with a factory V12 in it,
And what's the transmission?
15 speed.
All right, factory V12. What did it do? And it's like, why?
Well, the history I know behind it, I believe it was bought in California, probably a construction company because it's spring ride yet, and the RGN ramps on it look like they were factory installed or did a very nice job for a low boy. Very low miles on it. According to the odometer, it has 67,000 miles on it. Somewhere in the mid 80s, I think somebody bought it in Arizona, and then they tried to make it look more 80ish with the square headlights. They took the air horns off. I'm wanting to go back to the round headlights, tapered front bumper, make it look more original.
Is this original paint?
That's I question that. Um, it seems to be. I can't prove that it's not yet. I haven't had anybody tell me it's not.
Do you have the build sheet for it?
I do not yet.
Do you know how to get that?
I think you go to
Can?
Peterbilt or
No, I can hook you up.
okay.
I can hook you up. Tell
Yep.
you where to get it.
Yep.
Sorry to catch you as soon as
Yep,
you got
yep,
here. Also,
yep, yep.
but how long have you had it?
I've had it for about 6 years, I would say. I got up one morning, got on Facebook, and there was a guy in Black River Falls that posted this. And my dad always talked about. My dad's been a truck mechanic his whole life, and during the '70s, and he always talked about the V12s. And I seen it with the V12, and I thought, God, Black River Falls is not that far away. Let's go look at it. I went up there and looked at it, and I just like had a little bit of extra money, and I bought it. It's been fun so far. I got in a little bit of trouble with it when I first had it because it had straight pipes on it. I got a ticket for no exhaust and using a Jake brake, and I never had the Jake brake on. But
Oh, they just
they
heard
thought
the
it was
sound.
so loud. They thought the Jake brake was on. The officer told me it was the most obnoxious truck he's ever heard.
Did you say thank you?
I didn't know if I should tell him thank you or not, but I didn't say much at all.
Oh my goodness, was that somewhere local?
Very local, Coon Valley, Wisconsin.
And had you just got it?
Just got it. Funny part is, I did receive 2 tickets, and I talked to the DA, and he says, as long as you put mufflers on them, I'll drop the tickets. So pretty cool. Vernon County, it's all right.
So in the time you've had it, what all have you had to do or done for fun or?
Well, I installed the mufflers. I haven't done a whole lot to it. We have used it for work a few times when I needed a truck. We had a train derailment in Iowa. I think that was about 3 years ago, and we needed the truck, and we actually run a whole load of crane mats over to the train derailment with it. With I guess I could probably got in trouble. I had collector's plates on it, but it was pretty serious situation. There were some people hurt in the situation. They needed to get the mats in there to get.
You got to do what you got to do.
I did what I did. Yep.
But you're a trucker?
I am a trucker. I got a 3 Chimney Express out of Viroqua, Wisconsin. We're a flatbed company. We got 5 trucks on the road, and my dad's loved trucks and learned a lot from him. And
you said you should be trucking or working right now.
Yeah, I should be at home working and getting ready for Monday.
But you're from 45 minutes away?
I'm 45 minutes away, and I love coming here to look at other trucks.
Nice truck.
Thank you.
How many horses are there?
I think they rated it at 450. I guess you can turbocharge it on top of that and probably get, they say 600, but I tell you, my 500 Cummins would walk all over this thing. But yeah, it's a neat toy. There's some other truck show tags under the dash. There was one there from '89, and I don't know where the other one. There's one there from California?
Yeah.
And the other one is California also. So this truck has been shown before, just probably not in Wisconsin.
And is this your 7-year-old boy?
Yes, he is.
And he seems to like trucks too.
He's gonna take it all over. He's gonna take it over.
Has he driven?
That fender's broken.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yeah, we gotta fix that fender.
Have you driven this truck yet? Shakes his head no.
No, I haven't.
Not yet.
I don't like this. Actually, I think I like that one back home. Way more better. Here's my car seat.
You said that you like the other one better.
Yep.
What do you like about this truck, though?
I like the engine.
The engine is
And-
pretty cool.
This will honk the horn.
Go ahead, show her.
Oh my goodness. You like that part too, huh?
Yeah. And you can honk about it too.
Well, that's a cooler switch, isn't it? That lever's pretty neat.
Yeah.
And you can reach it. You can reach it.
You there?
Usually,
Yep.
my dad does it to tease me
Guys
pretty much.
Does it
Appreciate
scare
the
you sometimes?
Notice, I guess.
It's annoying. It's annoying, actually.
It's annoying.
Planning on putting the muffler guards on, and I had to get the mufflers on right away to get out of the citation I was in.
And I assume you've learned your lesson to not randomly peruse Facebook when you have money burning a hole in your pocket.
Right. No, I still have a problem buying things. Put 900 miles on yesterday to go after 2 tractors in Nebraska. Got a serious problem.
I can't imagine this gets great mileage.
No.
Dad,
Maybe 3.5 if you're being decent. This is a
Some
Facebook
beautiful
thing.
pinstriping.
She's gonna-
I'm surprised
guys are
there's
from
room in there
Ohio, you
next to
think?
the engine
Or-
for those horns.
I got a tractor. I couldn't bring it here because as the battery doesn't want, and you
Yeah.
start it up, the whole engine quits.
Do you get to drive the tractor though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
This is my favorite thing of that. And we got another truck. It has a couple
Oh,
mufflers
really?
like
We
this,
haven't.
just like this, but there's a bottom muffler in the back.
Oh my
Right.
goodness. Do you need some help when you climb up
Yeah.
that step, or can you get in there really easily?
No.
Easy peasy, he says. Well, it's pretty cool that you get to grow up with a cool truck like this. Earlier you said your dad has what?
A lot of truck.
A lot of trucks, but you said he had too many trucks. Is that right?
Yeah, too many.
Do you like his trucks though?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He got can roofs and he got guess what? Some of those tractors got drived in there and stayed there for years.
What's this one though? This isn't a Kenworth.
Some of them are Kenworth.
What's this one?
Uh,
It's a P. What's this say? Do you know? It's a Peterbilt.
I know that. my dad has lots of Peterbilts.
Yeah?
Too.
Are they all old Peterbilts, or does he have new ones too?
He got old ones. So one of the trucks have a hard time shifting.
Ah. Well, you better hurry up and learn how so you can help him.
I know how to drive a forklift.
Wow. And tractors?
Pretty much. Yeah. We got a big line tractors and bulldozers and a lot of stuff. No junk truck. And we got a Montreal log truck.
That's cool.
And another log truck I like to climb up to the top. And there's another truck junk. And there's another truck, the outer engine.